This is our online suggestion box to help you listen to your employees and engage them as you focus on continuous improvement. To customize it, you can replace the logo and the text displayed. Whenever your employees want to share their anonymous feedback, they just type it into this box. If you enable them to request a reply, they can enter their email address here. Then you'll be able to respond to them directly with their anonymity maintained. Their submissions will be emailed to you, and your replies will be routed back to them without their email addresses exposed. In addition, you can log into your account to review the feedback received, filter it by your own categories, publish your results for the whole organization to view, and much more. Ready to start your 30-day free trial? Sign up now and launch in minutes.